The Loneliest Bird, Ray Youngbear. Forced by a fatal contagion, ako matamuan, to wake early and drive 40 miles round trip for family necessities. The night driving clip-ons are attached and shimog is coiled to neck. In a World War II desert half-track that was jump-started at 15 below zero, we trundle over the hinterland before sunrise. Verily, upon returning, and with PC scrolling online news, Adam Herbal Supplement doesn't placate the world, because Natalie Wood has yet to sip an aperitif called Eternal Rest. After reading about the loneliest bird in the world dying, I shudder internally for the rest of the day. This survivalist quest will be repeated before my third age-related surgery Tuesday. Yes, man and nature aren't foes, but when the sick also seek the same food and detergent, the vortex is no longer endemic. It's therefore imperative to take a family portrait today. Me, a pensive bullfrog, the third oldest elder of Gishko Creek, sitting beside turning eagle wings glint, my companion, in her applique dress, with Kind Bear, our son, standing behind us in his beaded dance regalia and speckled feathers. As a poet in Sunday's best, an Osage-style otter turban with silver medallions will serve as a crown. Through these thick, dark sunglasses, my eyes will also convey all that's been achieved, a history of literary mediocrity with a P.S. in bold font that I remain bilingual and therefore steadfast, a fabulous testament against colonialism then and now.